Hey guys, welcome back to Keys. Guys, I'm live on CoinMarketCap, guys, where you can get access to track cryptocurrencies and their latest update. Now, the one of the popular mine or some of the rumors out there is the fact that you can mine Tron. So in this video, we're going to let you know that basically you can be able to mine Tron. Although there are other ways to get free benefits from being a Tron user or being a Tron holder, which we'll be talking about in this video here. Now, one thing you need to know about CMC, which is CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, is the fact that these two websites, they try to bring out information about crypto projects and all you need to know. Now, the cool feature here is that you can go over to their official handles. Now, when you check here, it says website explorers. It talks about their wallet, talks about their community. Now, these are the genuine sources where you could get information. Now, you could get access to the direct link to their Twitter account, Facebook, Telegram group chats where you can see information and also avoid feud. Now, let's say you go over to the Telegram group. Now, in the Telegram group, this is where you can see that please, there is no Tron mining or TRX mining. If you go over to the internet, just search for TRX mining and you see lots of information out there talking about how you can get free TRX token and how you can mine this token. So you guys, you need to stay safe in this space. Tron is the blockchain already, and there are lots of projects being building on the Tron blockchain on ecosystem. And Tronix, which is the token, is not mineable currently, so you want to be aware of that. But however, you can be able to get benefits by participating in staking rewards. Now, these staking rewards are where you can get just like you have on these sex exchanges. So here we have KuCoin exchange. You can see on the KuCoin N platform, you can get access to lots of N features. Now, let's say you want to search for subscription modes available for, or let's say you're a Tron holder. So you just search on Tron here, and you'll be seeing the lots of products or lots of subscription opportunities that are available. So I'm going to search for TRX, not Tron. So just search for TRX. Okay, this is it. You can see it on my screen here. Now you can see that these are APRs that you can get when you subscribe to any of these. Now these are just based on you can see the number of days. This is based for 14 days period, flexible period where you can easily unsubscribe anytime you feel like. Now these are the APRs you can get, or these are the genuine benefits you get from holding these tokens. Now, when you subscribe to this, it means you'll be getting a 5.13% annual percentage yield returns on your assets. So, if you have about $100 worth of TRS tokens, you want to put that here, or you want to subscribe to this. This is the APR you should be. This is the APR you should be expecting in the future. Now, you can also check out other exchanges to see what they have here. So let's go over to UB. Okay, so on UB you also get access to see the projects that are available there, or the subscription mode. So you want to look into each individual ones, and you want to see the one that will be very beneficial for you. Now for TRX here, you can see you get between 1.75% annual APR to about 8% APR. Now this is bid for flexible and a fixed period. Now if you want to unfold this, you will see the opportunities you get. So when you stake your TRS token, you get 3.36% yield. This is a flexible subscription, which means that you can easily remove your tokens, or you can easily swap back your tokens whenever you need them. But these ones, the higher the requirements, the higher the returns. So this is for 4.27, where you get a fixed period, and you can be able to. So these are the only ways for you to benefit from holding these particular tokens. So you need to be aware of these mites. You need to be able to distinguish between fake and also genuine information. Now, going back to their official Twitter handle, guys, you're going to see that there are lots of upcoming activities. We have Okong Festival, and a big shout out to the Tron ecosystem. They just did $10 million Web 3.0 Global Acceleration Program. This is a partnership with the Hong Kong government's scheme. So as we celebrate the Web3 evolution, we are committed to fostering innovation and attracting world-class talent to contribute to Hong Kong's vibrant ecosystem. So this is a big win for the whole Tron ecosystem. So guys, you want to keep eye on this. You also want to check out lots of information that are coming up on the Tron down ecosystem. Now, one quick question, guys: what do you guys think? Should we be seeing Tron in about $1? Current price for Tron is currently at 0.06. You can see it here live on the Tron official website. That's tron.network. Now you can see Tron is currently trading at 0.06. So can we be seeing Tron at about $1 very soon? Going fact that BTC is currently above $30,000. You can also see ETH above $2,000, and you can see current partners and current sponsorship and event currently going on. We have Tron founder Justin graduates UPenn University. This is about 2018-2019. So these are just some updates. So if you want to know more, leave your questions in the comment section. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to join up on the official Telegram and also official handles, Twitter, Discord, so you can get more information. Then let me know what you think about Tron getting to $1, guys. Peace out, your boy Keys. Stay tuned for more, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Peace out, guys.